Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamir bin Izan. My metric number is A21A2675. So today I want to talk about one product that I will share to you guys. So this is called a Rubik cube. What is a Rubik cube? A Rubik cube is a puzzle in the form of a plastic cube covered with multicolored squares, which the player attempts to twist and turn so that all the squares on each face are of the same color. Where's the Rubik cube from? And who invented it? The Rubik cube invented in 1974 by Ernio Rubik, he is a Hungarian architecture professor. Rubik created the cube as a learning exercise to teach his students about three-dimensional spaces. Little did he know his magic cube, as he originally named it, will become one of the world's most famous puzzles of all time. And the effect for the playing this cube, by the 1980s, the Rubik's Cube was a worldwide craze, selling millions of cubes every year and cementing its legacy into pop culture. It is featured in The Simpsons, The Big Bang Theory, A Spice Girls music video, and major Hollywood movies. And popularity of the Rubik's Cube continue to grow around the world. Today, the Rubik's Cube is revered as one of the most beloved toys of all time. Each year, millions of cubes are sold, solved, and shared among friends, families, and puzzle seekers alike. About the variety of cubes, we have so many types of cube, which is not only 3x3, but we have 2x2, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, and so many variety types of cube, as you can see in this picture. I think that's all. In the end, I will share you guys how to solve a Rubik cube. So thank you and see you soon.